Hey team, how you doing? I just wanted to make a quick tutorial on how simple it is to use this wonderful app called Shift. Bottom line, you no longer need to know how to trade or read candlesticks or watch charts and stuff like that, because it's all about copying and pasting. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to give you a brief synopsis on how easy it is to get in and out of a trade. So as what you can see now is basically this is the Shift app, and you have strategies. You got top pip stars. Those are the master traders. Those are the people that send you the signals. Okay, so see, people, you don't have to sit around all day watching the news and CNN and trying to figure out the stock market and stuff like that. You have master traders that send you signals directly to your phone. Now, when you receive these signals, what you would do is copy and paste it into your broker account, set it and forget it, make your money. It's just that simple. Okay. In addition to that, you have so let me show you some of the pip stars. These are the guys that are trading at an 89% win ratio. Okay, now in any event, anyone tells you that they're winning at 100%, they're lying. These are the top guys, or some of the top guys in the industry, and they're not winning at 100%, but they are at as close to 90% as possible. Okay, so you would say they're winning 8 out of 10 trades. Just to give you some round figures, 8 out of 10 trades is pretty good. I would say so. Okay. Now, with that being said, getting back to the app itself, this app is amazing. First and foremost, because in addition to you being sent signals from master traders, you also have an entire educational platform in the background that teaches you step by step for those that want to learn how to read charts, want to understand candlesticks, wicks, bullish, bearish movements in the market. You have an entire educational platform to learn this, if that's what you wish. And at the end of the day, the objective is to learn how to read charts. Okay, because at the end of the day, you don't want to be dependent upon someone sending you signals all day every day. If they don't send you those signals, you can't make any money, you can't do any trades. So your whole objective is to learn what they know, but until you reach that point, you earn while you learn. They send you signals, you make money. While you're making money, you're learning how to do what they do. Make sense? Okay, so moving forward. So these are the different pairs. When I say pairs, it's currencies. Like, for instance, gold versus the US. That's what XAU slash USD. So that's gold versus US. Okay. So as you can see right now, it's 35 pips in the positive. So you would figure if it's 35 pips right now in the positive, which is a sell, which means it's in a downtrend. We'll explain that later on. You don't need to go into those terminologies right now, but it's in a downtrend and it's winning at 35 pips, right? So if those 35 pips was $1, right now you're up $35. As you can see, it's 31 pips now in the positive. So if you was trading $1, you would be up $31, right? If you was trading at $10 a pip, you would be at $310 right now. If you was trading at $100 a pip, you would be at $3,100. So on and so forth. You see where I'm going with this? So it's real simple. It's copy and paste. How it works? All right, let's place a trade. So as you can see, these are what is called take profits. So your first objective is you want to hit 15 pips. That's your first goal, right? As you can see, there's a check, which means it already hit 15 pips, right? And then the next goal would be TP2, which is take profit 2. That's 20 pips. As you can see, it already hit that, right? And so on and so forth. So this is called your take profit. So when I want to place a trade and I say that it's copy and paste, it's just that simple. Copy and paste. So what I would do is, if I want to start off trying to hit 15 pips, I would press copy. It copies it. Then I would go out and go into my broker's account. And hold on, let's see what pair that was. That was gold versus US. Okay, so what you would do is go here and you look for gold versus US, which is right here. You open the chart, okay, and this plus sign in the upper right hand corner, you hit that, and you see these zeros on the right hand side. You have zeros on the left hand side and zeros on the right hand side. What you would do is just press down and paste. It's that simple, right? Then you would go back to your app, and these are the take profits. So this is how much money you wish to make. You have also something called a stop loss. Now, a stop loss is set in place so that you don't blow your account. What do I mean by blow your account? In any event that you don't have certain parameters set up so that if the market drops too low, you don't lose all the money in your broker account, that's what this is called, stop loss. So in any event, if the market doesn't go in the direction that I want it to go in, and it goes in reverse, once it hits these numbers where it's called stop loss, it's going to automatically protect my account so that it doesn't keep draining it. It's going to throw me out of the trade. So now, again, it's very simple. You copy and paste. You copy it. You go back to your broker. And those last set of zeros, press down and hold it and paste. It's just that simple. Now you have to make the decision of whether or not it was a buy or a sell. So let's go back to the app, and as you can see, it tells you right there this is a sell. Okay, and this is what the trade started at. These numbers right here where it says sell. That's when the trade started. So now that you know it's a sell, you go back to your broker, and what do? You press sell. Hold on one second. I want to backtrack, okay, because you can't jump into the trade if the take profit was already hit. So let's go back to our app, and as you can see, take profit 1, 2, 3, and 4 was already hit. So if there's a check next to it, you can't try to hit that because it was already achieved. So just as an example, the only option right now would be to go, or the goal would be 98 pips, because take profit 1 through 4 was already hit. So we're going to jump into a trade by using the example of trying to reach 98 pips. So again, you copy, you press the copy next to 98 pips. It's copied. You go back to your broker and you paste it on the right hand side. paste. Right? Then you go back to your app, scroll down again to your stop loss, and again the reason for your stop loss is to prevent your account from being blown and exhausted. So whenever it hits, if the market goes in reverse and not in the direction that you want it to go in, if it goes in reverse where you see those numbers 1775.27, if the market starts going in that direction, the minute it hits that number, it's going to throw you out of the trade to protect your account and to keep your account from being exhausted. So again, you copy, you press the copy next to the number, it's copied, you go back to your broker, press and hold, and you paste. Once again, we're going to confirm whether it's a buy or a sell. You go back to your app, and as you can see, it is a sell because it's in red. Okay, let me see, if it was a buy like this right here, it would be green. But this particular trade that we're going to take is a sell, so it's in red. So you go back to your broker, and the only thing you have to do now is press sell. And you're in the trade. It's just that simple. It's just that simple. And you sit back and wait until it hits the 98 pips, and that's your money. Right? Again, if that was $1 and if it hits 98 pips, you would be at $98. If it was $10 a pip and it hits the take profit of 98 pips, you would be at $980. If it was $100 a pip and it hits the 98 pips, you would be at $9,800. You understand? It's just that simple. So people, that's it for today. I mean, I'll go over some more things with this amazing app. All of my links will be in the description if you need to contact me, if you're interested in getting on the Team Alpha. And people, please show me some love, show me some support. I'm trying to grow this channel. Let's get this to 10,000 likes just to start. Let's get this to 10,000 likes. That's the mark. Help me out. And I'll see you on the other side.